expired
they
last.
know. Call Joe Biden or call George Bush. I should have served with Taliban. I'm telling you, don't reach. I don't give a damn.
Right there.
You all know. Today's
So
the day, buddy.
what I'm asking for.
Jesus Christ.
That was a heck of a stop, sir.
I have a gun and I'm armed. I'll let you know. So why did you pull me over?
Your inspection sticker expired
they
last.
know. Call Joe Biden or call George Bush.
What's your driver's
No,
license?
there's no. I don't have a driving license.
Why not?
Go back, sit in the car, and leave.
No, sir.
No?
It doesn't work that way.
Okay, so go ahead, do whatever you want to do.
Can I get your name?
No,
No?
no. You're fucking killing me. You fucking people don't get a disability. Oh, I have kids and I have a lot of fucking bullshit things. So why you treat me this way?
Said 80.
Said 80.
Can I get a supervisor to my location, please? Yeah.
Fucking people, you
Majestic.
I can't even go
Northbound
back to my
at
fucking country because of you fucking
Greenbrier
people.
Shopping
I
Center.
started in fucking army. Every time
Bravo.
you every time.
Do you have the registration to the vehicle?
Nothing.
You got nothing?
Nothing.
All right.
Yeah.
And you don't want to give me your name?
Sir, I died when I was serving you with you liars, with you people, with American status.
I served as well, sir.
Yeah. So you brought me to you fucking people brought me to this country, and I'm dying every single day, and I have 4 children, and we wholly survive because you're a racist people.
Okay.
Yeah, because I can't get a job, I can't get a disability, and they took my license because I'm not able to pay the insurance. So why are you trying to kill me?
I'm not trying to
Oh,
kill
you
sir.
are. I'm already died. I don't give a
Said
damn.
80. Subject's armed, refusing to give ID. Don't reach for anything,
No,
dude.
no,
Don't
no,
unbuckle that.
I'm telling you, don't reach. I'm telling you, don't reach. I don't
Subject
give a
keeps
damn.
reaching. Sir, I stopped you for a lawful traffic stop.
I don't give a damn.
Okay.
You liars.
I'm not lying.
No, you're
It's
lying.
obviously right there.
You are no. Today's
So
the
what
day,
I'm-
buddy.
what I'm
Today's
asking
the day.
for is you
Dumb
to identify
liars,
yourself.
White people, you lied for 25 years.
R80 Bravo, you direct on that?
You brought me to this country. I served with special forces. I lost my own brother. I lost everything.
I'm sorry.
I have nothing.
I'm sorry to hear that.
No, you're sorry to hear that. No, don't play that.
So you don't have a registration to the vehicle?
You know what? Listen here. You're American, okay?
Yes.
Yes, you are American. I give you my what do you call that? Take it. They took my driving license. Okay?
They took it away?
Yeah, for no reason. I have a hard time with court. I'll show you the paperwork. You won't
Okay.
believe what they say. When I call them, the system is broke.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it sounds like you're going through a really rough time.
Man, I should have served with Taliban better than you. I was concerned and when I was concerned about Taliban, but in America, since 2014, I'm concerned about more about you people. Because
Okay.
you lie, because you play games, that's how I'm going deeper, deeper, deeper.
Okay.
Yeah.
So these are my partners here. They're coming up. I don't want you to get rattled, but it's because you were reaching for your weapon.
No, I'm not reading, sir. Hey,
I
sir,
watched you do it.
I don't give a damn. It brings as many people as you can.
Okay.
Go ahead. You're not listening. What I'm telling you.
I am listening to you.
I have 4 children. Do not reach your gun. Hey,
So-
listen, American. This is take it. Take this with you, okay?
So now you want to give me that?
Hey, don't you reach it. No.
Said 80, I'm hit.
No. Hey, don't you reach it. No. Take this with you, okay? No. Hey, don't you reach it. No.
800 Bravo, shots fired.